Good day, everyone. Welcome to Liray 7 TV. Today, I'll be doing my first unboxing video. We're going to unbox this Hanabishi air fryer oven that we just got. We ordered this last December.
But since this model is not available in Bacolod, I have to pre-order this item and wait for over a month for it to arrive. The best thing about it is that I did not pay for the shipping and I'm guaranteed warranty since I ordered it through Addonsons. And also the price was cheaper compared online. So, let's begin the unboxing. So, let's first check what are the things that came with the air fryer oven. We have here the instruction manual, the warranty certificate. We have here the rotisserie parts. Let me check the manual for the name of these parts. This one is called the rotisserie pork. So this is the rotisserie pork where you actually insert the chicken. And this one is the one that you use to take the chicken out of the rotisserie.
I meant the oven.
We have the baking pan. The air fryer basket. And lastly, we have the wire rack. Okay, so this is how it's actually set up per the manual. And then we have here the function button. We have the air fry at the very top. Next, on the right is the broil. And then we have going down. Oh, this one is the toast. Again, this is the broil. We have below the bake. And then we have the convection broil. And the last one on the top, this one is called the convection rotisserie toast. In the middle, we have here the temperature button. We have low and then maximum of 230 degrees centigrade. And then here on the right side, we have the timer from 0 to 60 minutes. So that's an hour. On the top, we have also the power light. Let me first clean the wire rack, the air fryer basket, and the baking pan so that I can actually cook using the air fryer, since it's the reason why we got this air fryer oven. Since we don't have the time to marinate our chicken, what we're going to do here is we're going to first boil our chicken so that it will actually absorb the flavor, and at the same time it will be well done once we cook it later. Put in our chicken, and then our onions, the tanglad or lemongrass for flavor, and then our bay leaves, peppercorn, salt, and also the garlic. We'll let this actually boil for a few minutes, and then we'll transfer it to the air fryer. We'll do the fried chicken once we're able to marinate, and that would be for another video. since the chicken is ready, I'll be preheating the oven now for first time use. But in the future, if I'll be using only the air fry function, there's no need to preheat the oven anymore.
We're set at 190, and then let's try to cook this for about 20 minutes.